Acting on the information received from the members of the United Hinyo Movement of West and East Jaintia Hills that Assam police had erected an outpost on disputed land between Assam and Meghalaya, members of the United Hinyo Movement central body, along with the Sardar of Sabah, visited Mukra village on the Assam-Meghalaya border on the morning of 23rd April 2021 to witness the particular construction in the area. The UHM members had earlier informed the officer in charge of Nartiang Police Outpost before their visit to Mukra under Lasking block. On arrival, the members of the UHM along with the Sardar and members of the Darbashnong Sabah Mukra were taken by surprise when about 30 to 40 people from Karbi Anglong of Assam, who were armed with sticks, daggers and stones, had mishandled them, and the incident had resulted in the injury of the members of the West and East Jaintia Hills unit and organizing secretary of the UHM central body. 3 of its members bore serious injury marks and were taken to the Barato Public Health Center for treatment. The organizing secretary of the UHM central body, Carles P. Nongbri, expressed his disappointment at the high-handedness of the people from Karbi Anglong and more so at the Assam police led by the officer in charge of the outpost, who were mere bystanders to the brutality meted out to members of the United Hinyo Movement who were not prepared to be attacked but had visited the area with an intention for a dialogue between the officer in charge of the said outpost and members of the village Darbar of Mukra along with members of the UHM.
काम तो डीसी
मतलब हम लोग का एसपी ने बोला है कोई हालत पर काम बंद नहीं होगा, हाँ काम जारी रहेगा, कुछ बात करना है तो ठीक है,
इतना नहीं यार कुछ नहीं
kami hi kani ke thau te tisnau to sabah
nakaliang jonga organizing secretary central body alayo ya ka jiktep lengba ka West Jaintia bat ka East Jaintia district nila Hirlang rekat baw Sardar joka Sabah isa kilang ya kani jing sisa te nangilalek kidan ki jaj benriu nakaliang jog jaj benriu Karbi ki blawan mi ya kaban ra da ki waj da ki ding kalam dasha yingi ban yakran ya ka ai ka ban yakran badla shube yingi shube tong yingi badwa shubam yingi untang ila ban ya phet krat namara ka jing lek tang kendiat namar ngimde bangi temu ban lek yartama arai ka jing temu ka jingi kalong ya kaban le jurip kenang baka sungsuk sungsain kanwan hakapateng lene hadin habot jong kini gidong kitan sini ti ngimsim lodei te ki seng balang wan pen kelumar lene wan ko buram are ngidei ki seng balang ki ban yada ya kendeu ka siap put usam ban ida penram jur ya kani ka jingla ruklau ki bom besmu tu shu para nong sung sinong akari India ban ida penram jur ya ki usim kebu ki bakum kini wara kemat jo ki pelit jo Asam ki mla ban te lakam yingi ki badon hangtu ki don ki pulit Asam bad usi klur jong ka Asam udan lang rei uklem la bate lakam bakila be thong yingi kumbe ya kimrat kimreng.
The headman of the village of Mukra, Andres Suchiang, while speaking about the incident, said that the visit to Mukra was an intention to settle through talks the matters related to the illegal construction of the Assam police outpost on land belonging to Meghalaya. Suchiang expressed his disappointment at the attack which he termed as unexpected made on UHM members by the mob.
Ini kalian ngau senang wan hai tai mi một wan di jing khia kau ada lalang ni upai seli jing khiat một dia nam em mau chnai pulis tai cham skit to bukra kam skit ki tapi sangi iklam satu hadir itu hayang yang wan sar chas nata na makolom manawan ta siklor nata siapa ban ra udah gitu ki wahai yang senang kermi sekretari kermi rekat berpai ba rekat lera ki boga white boga teri gedeng mo karo yasna ki ne kaliang yang imut kamu senang lah dari kepalangi, na kepalangi ya ke sarkar le, betulang ki kamu senang tahu, upaya selagi kamu ngawet senang, ni mentah kecai berunga, yang teli telah, lada, habe ngaci sien, ni mentah kecai beru, yap ale ngampe.
During an exclusive telephonic conversation with Media Plus on the incident at Sabah Mukra under Lasking block, this is what the president of the United Hinyo Movement, Charlie Rani, had to say.
Mengi na kasising na patah le jurip no este. La ka dai sisa na kam dai.
Okay.
Di kajinglet kajong kirum dei tama kilet tang marway kilala lang bagi wahai snong mat ki plus kila pentip do hapo ka police station ko badi patch tin po nartiang tan kaliang police ki ang kabiang kapalat kata de kilet nomor 4 sing balang gibalit mo man le kita di kilet ndala po siya kilet lang bagi batu wahai snong basara snong ini tai ndala po siya Gaya kajingja kami mana hadain bagi nang mukwa bani kendo yo wencha so usi beri penya badi penya atau opos tu beri penya atau opos di ka lejaring hat hata kapor tau usi wong up mana phone yo tau we yo tau in charge wong up on phone yo usi udan hata kasnong kumbala ai statement yang tu yo ikan nakaseng negating mayo tu hashtag jam seng di ndala da baya ka ndala phone tu wan utau si wan man nomor sapol san pumut kibrio Shlong ki rio ki brio na po karbi kini ki karbi
Okay.
je ki wan rabat ki wat bat ki sum bat ki ding gini tai ki jongi na marlara dai bagi temu man le ka basniu ngilale je ki arpau lai pau kali ten rei ka jinglet ka jongi ngilet tang sau kali merong no tang kumakatan kan rungut ten dala poi pade sathi kalau man kontak indawan kam dan kono ka jinga keren shisho shutat beiki dala sho aladat da adat nang tahadin ka uliu pulit ka jing syabo tim ka tim ka ni ka jingja penjajai isu yang sepekai penman ki kelalong no ka jingle jong pulit asam ka peni syurut man ki jakun riu di ngalafun ru yo sports master ru ndai umshim uang wai up unang keren batu siam deputy siam di lala kile menti ba kile maina kom ni ngina kaliang sengi sanang ya chakmat shishu di kipon ko mangilak keren man hakani ha to statement ga bangi aya por ko badon ngi ka education in saya chu di kipatinga kamot in sale di public meeting keleng katarung ngin hap yai sha shop manta ya kani ka jingkiu kani ka yang coronavirus kani covid-19 di lala kala kham thanda kani ngin sahapan kino pi kani ka por issue na malalong sebab palat ajing syak pat ki brio jungi gile chate tang man sukli omman le ya huri hura kham kono baka yu kamera tiar kham ratar le ya kren ka khatin ko aban tip ya ajing sisa de tang ngata je balai ban syo bandat ajing syo jing dat ka jong ki kalalong no ka pani ya ka jing ya khaput ka jong ki ka jing ting ka jong ki ya ka jing wan ka jong ni bangin sakhi ki popun